didn't get it that bad, did it?
I don't know. I guess we're about to find out.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Our shirts got rained on, everybody.
Just a hair. We were expecting to be home sooner, but it's okay.
And neither of us were home.
No.
Oh well. Oh well.
It will be alright.
This one also got like a few spots of dye on it from like the other colors, but I think it's still gonna turn out cool. We're about to see. Ooh, so far so good. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, that did turn out good. That did turn out like real good.
You still, even though it's got those little purple spots on it?
Yeah, buddy.
I love that one. I love the colors on that one. It's
I do
very
too.
colorful. That's why
I still think the black hole one is my favorite, but you know I like that pattern.
I like my favorite one that we've done is the pastel. That very first pastel when I first
tri-color.
got.
Yeah.
No, I think it was a rainbow color.
Well, yeah, it was a rainbow tri-color. But remember, we just used the glacier blue, the bubblegum, and the yellow. I can't ever seem to remember the right name for.
I always thought you were joking when you said glacier, but I realized today that's actually how British
Some people say glacier, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was a close one there. Closest one yet. Okay. That might have been a little much, but it's all good. And here's the final result. Check that out, man. Look at that. That's nice. This is one of my favorite patterns to the bullseye pattern. I usually like the bullseye pattern with the black and the dark blue, but this is a pretty cool one too, a pastel. It's the first pastel bullseye. So nice. Came out really good. Make sure, and of course, check us out on Etsy. Drop a comment, like below, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day.